Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. This is a requested recipe, guys. I have two fried chicken recipe up, but you guys wanted me to make another version. There's so many ways to make fried chicken in your kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make this one. It is so tasty. This is the one that I made for Christmas. Everybody did come over, and this is the one. This is exactly how I made it, and this is the way I made it for my wedding as well. So I'm making sure that all me season up a wicked, mean, authentic Jamaican fried chicken in my kitchen. So if you want to see how I do this one, come on and let's go.
Here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
Okay guys, let's talk about our chicken that we are going to be using. Make sure your chicken washed thoroughly with vinegar and lemon juice. Keep the skin on because your skin is going to chop in all that moisture inside of the chicken. If you take off the chicken skin before you fry your chicken, then your chicken going to be dry and trashy. You want the chicken to be juicy. So keep on that chicken skin, and that is legs and thighs. What we're going to use for this recipe is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of milk, 1 egg, half a cup of seasoned breadcrumbs, also a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of Jamaican all-purpose seasoning, a tablespoon of paprika, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, and I'm also going to add a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of garlic. Now to marinate this chicken as well, give it 1 pound of pepper. I'm going to use this marinade right here. You could use whatever kind of marinade you have, but this is the one that I'm going to use. It have orange in it, onion, garlic, and all them good stuff there. So that's the one I'm using. So come on and let's get started. Okay guys, I'm moving on to my very first step. Now first thing you want to do is go ahead and add your milk and your egg. Let's put your egg in here and just mix it together, and then you move on to your next step. Alright guys, now we're gonna move on to season up this chicken. Now I have my chicken here, legs and thighs. You could use whatever part of the chicken that you want to use. That is legs and thighs, skin on. Now you want to go ahead, make sure say chicken wash nice and clean. Then you add your garlic, your black pepper, and your salt on this. Then you add your hot sauce, and then you're going to add your marinade sauce as well. Then to that you're going to put in your milk and egg that you beat up earlier. So you make sure say you get that milk and egg liquid all over that chicken. Now guys, with clean hands, you just go ahead and you make sure you get that milk and the egg all over that chicken, right? And that is what you want it to look like. You want it actually to be sitting in that liquid. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to cover that up, and I'm going to let that sit for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. And when I come back, we will get ready to fry this thing. I'm going to put this thing in my deep fryer today, but I'm going to show you how to get your flour ready before frying. So let's move on. Okay guys, so now here I'm moving on to my next step. You're going to go ahead and put your flour in. Then you put your breadcrumbs, and that is seasoned breadcrumbs because you want a chicken paprika flavor, you know. You're going to put your paprika, Jamaican all-purpose seasoning, and your baking powder, and mix everything together evenly. And now we are going to move on to our next step. Okay guys, so now my chicken has been sitting for about an hour. I let it sit for 1 hour. And so now I'm going to just take the plastic off, and we're going to start frying. So here I have my flour, which has been prepared earlier. And so now all I'm going to do is go ahead and put my chicken in. You just want to get that flour all over that chicken, really good. So now let's get ready for frying. Okay guys, I have my deep fryer here, and what I like to do is just go ahead and put my chicken in to the deep fryer like that before I actually dip it into the oil. So that's how I do it, and then when I come back, I'm gonna have perfect fried chicken. So in we go. And here guys is the perfect fried chicken. Let's go ahead and put this on a plate. Okay guys, so that is a complete meal, and I'm just gonna put that gravy on top of that chicken. And this is a homemade gravy. I'm going to put the recipe, the link down below on how to make gravy for your chicken. So that is your fried chicken right there. Jamaican fried chicken. My authentic Jamaican fried chicken in my kitchen. Perfect as can be. There you have it guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I enjoy cooking it. Once again, like, share. Let me know what you want to see me cooking in my kitchen next. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So, see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.